Hey, welcome back to another vlog of the Bong Blasters. So today it is Mother's Day as well as Rabindra Jayanti. So it's kind of a sweet and also fun type of vlog. So welcome to the Mother's Day vlog, and we're gonna show you everything we do in this video. Everything we prepare, we eat, and breakfast, lunch, dinner. Not only in food but also some productive stuff which we plan for our moms, and we're gonna show you everything. And also, so fasten up your seatbelts as we welcome you to the Mother's Day vlog. Okay, so welcome.
Mother's Day to you.
Happy Mother's Day to you.
Happy Mother's Day. Guys, we are having the preparations of Mother's Day. For the breakfast we are gonna make some sandwich, so idhar mein thoda sa veggies hai, and also we're gonna think of making some watermelon slices, or we can transform into a juice. So abhi tak to ye itna sa hi hua hai, and we also have, these are all the stuffs or more for Mother's Day. So we're gonna have a lot of things planned for today, so we're gonna show you everything. Okay, so the watermelon juice is ready, all done by me, and Tushanjit is preparing the sandwich. So इधर एक sandwich grill होने जा रहा है, cheesy, and Tushanjit is just making one just to taste one, because I think salt मैंने ज़्यादा दे ही दिया नहीं, वो सब सोचो मत, दे ही दिया. So Shanjit is currently preparing the sandwich. Two of them are just cooking, and two of them are already done. So as usual, I burnt my food, so my dad came to help me as like every time. Finally, after a lot of work, this is the plate that we're gonna serve. Wait, just gonna give you a close shot. So we have served some vegetable sandwich, and these are some scrambled eggs with cheese, mangoes, bananas, and ketchup. After all this mess, let's go and give her. And also the watermelon juice. Let's go. Mother's Day number 1 treat. This is breakfast, so enjoy. Oh, taste test time. Yes, as expected from chef. Okay, bye. भी हम लोग के खाने का टाइम है. रॉयल जैसे देने के बाद इतने गरीब जैसे खा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि इतना भूख लगा. इसको तो देखो खाना स्टार्ट कर दिया, इतना भूख लगा. So we don't want any presentation, we just want food. So as usual, खाना is already खत्म. आपको पता ही है क्यों खत्म है.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to every mother in the world. And yeah, so in this Mother's Day I'm having quite a good surprises, and yeah, the first surprise is throughout the day I will cook. It's a dinner, and yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. I'm just chopping the vegetables now. So I'm currently cutting the watermelon for making some watermelon juice. If you want the recipe, it is in my Instagram reel. The link is in the bio. Go check it out. So our pav bhaji is all ready. I'm gonna just add the butter, and yeah. Now I'm gonna be making poha. So I have made some pav bhaji, poha, watermelon juice. This all things are made by me and according to my mother's taste.
খুব সুন্দর, খুব ভালো।
কোনটা সবথেকে বেস্ট?
সবগুলোই ভালো।
মিথ্যা কথা। Okay.
So right now I'm sorry for this vlog. At first, like opening the vlog after So I just came out of the shower, and today is Ravindra Jayanti plus Mother's Day. So Mother's Day के लिए आज हमने कुछ भी स्पेशल नहीं, एक सिर्फ केक मंगाया है और हमने एक करी किया है. वी आर नॉट डूइंग चिकन बिकॉज कल ही हमने चिकन खाया था रात को. सो वी आर नॉट प्लानिंग टू हैव चिकन. तो एक करी, हाँ, फ्राइड राइस बनाने का हमारा फैसला था, बट वी डिडंट बिकॉज पिछली बार हमने बहुत कुछ बनाया था और कितनी दिन बाद हमारा सबका पेट खराब हो गया था. तो दिस टाइम वी आर नॉट थिंकिंग ऑफ एनी काइंड ऑफ झोल झमेला. तो या यही है हमारा प्लान. और बाकी सब जगह इंस्टाग्राम, व्हाट्सएप जो नॉर्मली पोस्ट वगैरह करते हैं वो तो हमने कर दिया. मम्मी को भी विश कर दिया. और केक अभी लाने जाना है हमारे पड़ोस में, और अभी भी केक लाने जाना है पड़ोस में. सो अभी मैं रेडी होंगी, साड़ी पहनूंगी गाइज. बाय बाय. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज वी आर making some egg rolls because my mom wanted to have that. So we are making some egg rolls. I'm going to do some preparations for it. I'm going to cut the pyaz, I'm going to cut some cucumbers, some chilies, and आटा भी कच करना पड़ेगा. So हम लोग वो करेंगे. उसके बाद I'm going to catch you guys after making some egg rolls, and वो celebration के वक्त मिलेंगे. So be ready. मेरे काजल उतना नहीं, आज मेरे पास काजल नहीं था, मैंने आई शेडो से काजल लगाया. बाय बाय.
So finally I'm done having my breakfast, and yeah, I'm going to start the preparation for lunch. And yeah, I have ordered some dessert for lunch, as it is not possible for me to make dessert right now, although I have ordered it online, so it's good at this time. So here our order has arrived finally. We'll sanitize it first. So dessert has arrived, some pineapple pastry and rasmalai.
Lunch time, and for lunch my mom is making some biryani. So this is the chicken for the biryani, and ये हांडी में इधर घी दिया. सो इधर खाना मम्मी ने बनाया, बट एज सर्विंग मैंने किया बिकॉज थोड़ा सा तो क्रेडिट चाहिए ही ना. फाइनली डन विथ द लंच. लंच वाज एक्चुअली prepared by my mom, and it was like मम्मी ने बनाया था, but my mom makes the best biryani, like amazing. So done with eating biryani, and now the plan of action is that we're gonna give lots of part. But तो अभी का जो प्लान है वो है, हम लोग ने केक ऑर्डर दिया है. सो वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड द केक, एंड केक अभी तो शांति जाके लेके आएगा विथ ऑल द सेफ्टीज. सो राइट नाउ वी आर गोना चिल. थोड़ा इंस्टाग्राम देखेंगे, यूट्यूब देखेंगे, फेसबुक में हम लोग ने एक गाना पोस्ट किया फॉर रविंद्र. ओह, टुडे इज रविंद्र जयंती, सो आई एम गोना शो यू. फेसबुक लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, सो गो चेक इट आउट. फिर व्हाट्सएप देखेंगे, मोबाइल का चार्ज खत्म करेंगे, फिर सो जाएंगे, नहीं सोएंगे
Soege.
नहीं सोएंगे. तो शाजिद, I'm gonna make mango shake. And guys,
So guys, I'm done with all the kind of chopping, and now I'm done marinating the chicken, and I will fry it, then make the sauce, put the chicken in there, and yeah, and get that yummy chicken out. And also I'm gonna get the rice to boil to make the fried rice. I'm gonna be making Chinese fried rice today. I'm very excited. I love Chinese fried rice and chili chicken. So guys, इधर मैंने चिकन को फ्राई कर रहे हैं. अब सॉस बनाऊंगा. Then I will put it here, and yeah, it will be all ready with the chili chicken. Then I'm gonna be making the Chinese fried rice. And currently I'm seeing Bong Blaster's Sunday video. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. Types of mothers, guys, go check it out. So our sauce is ready, and now in this sauce we are gonna be adding our chicken to make the chili chicken. Yes. So here I am making the Chinese fried rice. I'm adding one by one all the vegetables, and the rice is ready for cooking. And yeah, I will show you the after glimpse. So guys, here as you can see, I'm done making my Chinese fried rice. It's looking very yummy, and now I will go for So guys, this is the lunch platter that I have created from my mother. Hi.
Hi.
And so we'll start from dessert. We have some rasmalai, some pineapple cake. These are not made by me. Thank you, Makhan Bhog. And chili chicken. And for beverage we have rose mojito. And for the main dish, we can say we have, what is this? What is this?
Fried rice.
Chinese fried rice. How was the lunch actually? কেমন হয়েছিল লাঞ্চটা?
খুব ভালো, খুব সুন্দর, খুব টেস্টি।
একই জিনিস সবার?
রেস্টুরেন্ট ফেল।
Oh, thank you.
So guys, we are ready for the celebration and watch it. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day to you. Yay! Yum.
So guys, I have not said about the surprise to my mother yet, and I have just said her that to stay in her room and wear something good, and yeah, that's it, so that the pictures could come better. And
Happy Mother's Day to you.
সারপ্রাইজটা পেয়ে কেমন লাগলো? আগের আনসার থেকে কিছু মানে অন্য
স্পিচলেস।
আর
খুব ভালো।
জানি না, খুবই ভালো লেগেছে। রিয়াকশন পরে দেখিয়ে দেবো। Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to dear mom. Happy Mother's Day to you.
so everything is done. तो शांजित केक लाने गया है. Mango shake is ready. I think I'm gonna plate it right now. तो फिर प्लेट करेंगे अभी और तब तक हम आपको दिखा देंगे हम लोग का रविंद्र जयंती डेकोरेशन. लेट्स गो. ओके, सो 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! This is the Ravindra Jayanti decoration. Totally, it was my mom's idea. So me and my brother are very bad in case of decoration. Like we need to take classes of decoration from Ahanjit. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या किया था, इधर से साड़ी जैसा कुछ किया था, लाल कपड़ा ऐसे लाइक लिटरली लग रहा था कि साड़ी पहन के रखा है रविंद्रनाथ जी ठाकुर जी. तो फिर गुड जी प्रणाम. एंड दिस इज थिंग्स गया. कम केक आ गया. ओपन लेट्स सी. छोड़ दो, मैं खोलता हूँ. वाओ, इट्स रिटन मॉम एंड इट्स सो प्रिटी. So let's cut the cake. Cut. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to dear mom. Happy Mother's Day to you. This is very good. Cheers. Made by me. So guys, for today's dinner we are making butter paneer masala, and for the butter paneer masala the vegetables along with some cashews and all the whole spices are cooking with some spices. And I have already blanched this, we have already blanched this paneer in what is called, in the microwave, hot water. Yeah. And the dough for the roti is already kneaded by me, Shanjit, and we're gonna make butter roti by the way, क्योंकि हम लोग का प्लान था नान बनाना. And we have also made biryani. This is the leftover biryani that we have. And some hot water. क्योंकि हम लोग ने बिरयानी बनाया था इसलिए हम लोग रोटी में स्टिक. Paneer is ready. I don't know why the color is very yellowish, but it's very orangish. Taste. कैसा बना? It's very good. It's actually, seriously, it's very good. Look, just without wasting any time, let's just make some roti. So guys, dinner is as simple as that. We're having some butter paneer made by Tushanjit and me and some rotis. तो ये एकदम simple है. So that's all for dinner. So as you guys can see, I have received the delivery.
So this is all we are having for dinner: dal makhni, chicken bharta, butter naan, and obviously some coke. And yeah, that's it.
So guys, that was the end for today's video. We had a lot of plan and almost everything was successful. We started with the breakfast, then lunch, then the cake cutting ceremony, and the dinner. Everything was super nice. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time the wrong Blaster is on.
Here I end my video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up.
Also share and leave a comment on what are the challenges or videos you would love to see from us. Till then, keep watching the Bomb Blasters. Bye and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Bye.